Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated electric SUVs of the year, the 2026 Tesla Model Y. Tesla has taken everything that made the Model Y a global success and evolved it into something sleeker, smarter, and more futuristic. From the bold new design language to the upgraded interior and performance innovations, this is the Model Y reimagined for the future.
Let's start with that striking front fascia. The 2026 Model Y embraces Tesla's next-generation design philosophy. Clean, aerodynamic, and unmistakably futuristic. The traditional grille is gone, replaced by a smooth body-colored panel, accentuated by a continuous LED light bar, stretching across the front, proudly spelling out TESLA in illuminated letters. It gives the SUV a commanding presence, both day and night. The headlights are slimmer, sharper, and more aggressive than ever before, integrating seamlessly with the front fascia for a high-tech, performance-oriented look. The sculpted hood and flush lines enhance aerodynamics, improving both efficiency and range. From the side, the Model Y adopts a coupe-inspired silhouette, blending sporty proportions with SUV practicality. The hidden door handles, black accents, and 20-inch aerodynamic wheels with red highlights give the car a bold yet elegant stance. Tesla's engineers have clearly optimized every curve for airflow, achieving a drag coefficient lower than most sports cars. A continuous LED taillight bar now connects both ends, mirroring the illuminated Tesla lettering up front. The sleek roofline gently tapers into a muscular tailgate, while a new rear diffuser adds both visual depth and aerodynamic functionality. Overall, the rear design screams sophistication and speed, a perfect balance of luxury and performance. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels like a tech luxury lounge. The 2026 Model Y interior is wrapped in premium red diamond-stitched leather with elegant black accents, creating a sense of warmth and exclusivity. Ambient lighting flows across the dashboard and door panels, giving the cabin a futuristic glow, especially noticeable at night. At the center is Tesla's signature large infotainment display, now even more responsive and integrated with the latest version of Tesla's operating system. It controls everything from navigation to entertainment to vehicle dynamics. The minimalist layout continues, emphasizing clean lines and a clutter-free aesthetic. The panoramic glass roof gives passengers a breathtaking view of the sky, while keeping the cabin light and airy. The redesigned seats offer improved lumbar support with ventilation and memory functions, now standard on most trims. Every inch of the interior feels refined, purposeful, and futuristic, just what you'd expect from Tesla in 2026. Underneath its elegant exterior lies raw electric power. The 2026 Tesla Model Y will reportedly feature dual or tri-motor configurations, delivering up to 550 horsepower and 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 3.5 seconds for the performance variant. The long-range model is expected to push beyond 340 miles, or 547 kilometers on a single charge. Thanks to improved battery density and advanced cooling technology, Tesla's all-wheel drive system ensures instant torque distribution for superior handling, while the adaptive suspension adjusts in real time to road conditions for a smoother, more controlled ride. And with the new regenerative braking system, range efficiency and driving comfort are better than ever. Tesla is expected to begin deliveries of the 2026 Model Y in late 2025 or early 2026. Pricing will likely start around $52,000 for the base long-range trim, while the performance model could exceed $68,000, depending on options and market availability. As usual, Tesla may introduce exclusive editions or software upgrades later on, keeping the Model Y lineup exciting and dynamic. The 2026 Tesla Model Y proves that electric innovation is far from slowing down. With a stunning exterior redesign, a luxurious tech-filled interior, and powerful performance to match, Tesla has elevated the Model Y from a popular crossover to a design icon of the EV era. So what do you think of the new Tesla Model Y? Would you trade in your current car for this futuristic beauty? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into the world of next-generation automobiles. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay charged and stay inspired.